India and Japan invest 500 crore in Eka Mobility. Why they are doing so? Hello everyone, my name is Dakshwar and let's talk about today's share market updates. First update is coming as India's trade deficit value is at its peak in 13 months with 32.1 billion USD in September. Let us first understand what is trade deficit. Trade deficit is a situation when the value of goods imported is higher than the value of goods exported from a country. The major why of this situation is happening due to the relations with US and export with USA. Due to this situation with the USA, multiple problems are coming in forward towards this trade, and due to this trade, the trade deficit value have become a major issue for Indian economy. As part of trading, for Forex trader, you should view the depreciation of Rupee over USD. And some sectors for investors like gems, textile and jewels will face a bit low, but at the same time for pharmaceutical and IT sector they will be giving a hike in upcoming months. Create your own bucket list by analyzing the current situation. This is a major problem for Indian economy, but at the same time the seasonal demand of gold will help India to grow a bit domestically. Next update is coming as electrical vehicle manufacturer Eka Mobility got funding of 500 crores from India as well as Japan. But why India and Japan chosen such company which is just a startup, close to a startup company, for such a big investment? Because it is a well established company having commercial dealings with state as well as central government of India. Investment of 500 crores in the Eka Mobility will help it to increase its manufacturing as well as infrastructure rapidly, to double the production of buses as well as three-wheeler electrical vehicles. As this company neither listed in the BSE nor in the NSE, how can we get opportunity to invest in this sector? We can overview this sector broadly: Tata Motors, Ashok Leyland and M&M. This great investment of India and Japan will help Indian electrical vehicle sector to grow higher and higher in upcoming months or years. As electrical vehicles are booming, this will give an opportunity for retail traders or investors to invest more and more into this sector and make their money. At one side where India's and USA's relations are not getting well, on the other hand, Civica shook hands with Biocon India to produce more and more insulin and supply it to USA, for helping Civica make supply affordable in USA. As the insulin market in the USA is very large, Civica got an opportunity to make it happen or make it affordable. As Civica is a non-profitable organization, it will also keep in mind to do not generate as much wealth from their side, but it will also help Biocon to make their trade with them, and this will be profitable for India. According to this contract, India will generate insulin and Civica will sell it in the US market with its private label. As a retail investor, for the sake of consideration, we can consider the Biocon and healthcare ETFs for further trades and investments. We should overview the exports and imports of Indian pharmaceutical sector, which will help us to invest more and more into it. Before investing, keep in mind to make a deep research in the stocks in which you are investing, which is very much important in the current stock market. Do not trust the tips given by individuals as well as organizations. Last news is coming as SBI raised 7,500 crore from the bond issuing, as SBI have issued tier 2 long-term bonds to the banks. This will surely increase the capital adequacy ratio of SBI, which will help it to make bullishness in the market. This is a sign that will help us to overview the market. This is a sign which shows massive investors trust SBI and they have a massive trust in SBI's stability too. Bonds can't be bought directly from SBI, but the bullish share of SBI is listed in the stock market. Do check it out at your own risk. This event will also help long-term investors to trust more and more into SBI, as SBI is one of the largest bank of India. Ending with SBI, happy Dhanteras to you all. May this Dhanteras brings happiness, prosperity and wealth to your family and friends. If you have liked the video, do share it with your fellow investors. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.